Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Barton Road in Eccles to show this fantastic 2-bedroom terrace property. All nicely presented inside, 2 spacious reception rooms with the addition of a loft room as well. So we've got on-street parking to the front, and then we have a bay-fronted spacious lounge here, which is very nicely presented. Great space which flows through to the dining room as well. You can see here we've got patio doors which lead out to the low maintenance rear garden. Got storage under the stairs, and then completing the ground floor is our modern fitted kitchen. Ample storage in here, lots of natural light, and then our back door leads to the low maintenance rear garden. Nice seated area there, and then we've actually got some double gates there which do open up to provide off-road parking as well to the back. So there is off-road parking facility here as well. Now coming back through the property and going to the first floor, we've got 2 double bedrooms and a 4-piece family bathroom suite. So up the stairs and at the top you'll find the bathroom. We've got a great space in here, all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. Got a shower, separate bath, some storage on the left, sink and a toilet. Got a really great space there. And then here we have our second bedroom. This is a very generous sized double. As you can see, we've got lots of space in here, and this overlooks our rear garden. And then coming to the front of the property, we've got a very generous sized, again, double bedroom, 2 windows in there as well, flooding the room with lots of fantastic natural light. We've got the canal just over the road. Got great views and fantastic walks as well. Situated in a very convenient area with lots of local schools, transport links, amenities nearby, within walking distance to the Trafford Centre. And coming to the second floor, here we've got our loft room. Now this is used as storage and an office space. This could be used as a sleeping space as well. Will be a great family home or a perfect first time buy. If you would be interested in arranging a viewing of this fantastic property, please call our office on 0161 707 4900.